Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel Carnival's Top List, where we share the upcoming car news. So guys, the 2024 Koenigsegg Gemera revealed the Gemera back in 2020, a stunning 4-seat supercar with a whooping 1677 horsepower, which is so fantastic. And what's the cool is that it uses a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine but without camshafts. Now after 3 years, Koenigsegg has shown us the final version of the Gemera, and the big news is that there is an optional new powertrain that boosts the power to incredible 2300 horsepower. And most of the changes for the final version are hidden and under the body, but there are some small tweak to the front exterior, and Gemera still has its silk low body, and it looks amazing in unveiled green with a gold wheels. A major update in the light speed transmission, which is called LSTT, which was first used in the Jesko HYPERCAR you have already seen. And originally the Gemera was supposed to have a single speed direct drive transmission, but Koenigsegg decided to use the 9-speed automatic gearbox from the Jesko we have already seen in the Jesko version. And the Gemera still has all the wheel drive and with a 4-wheel torque factoring, and it can use power from the electric motor and the gas engine, or both. Altogether the powertrain puts out 1400 horsepower and 1364 pound-feet of torque, a bit less than before but still very powerful engine. And for those who want even more power, Koenigsegg has a special treat. Along with the 3-cylinder hybrid, you can also get the Gemera with a twin-turbo 5.0-liter V8 engine from the Jesko, and this beastly V8 combined with the 800 horsepower electric motor pushes the Gemera HV8 to 2300 horsepower and the 28 pound-feet of torque. And the V8 option was a possible because of the LSTT, which made room for the bigger engine while keeping space for all 4 seats. The V8 had to change a bit from the Jesko with a exhaust exit move to top center of the engine, giving it the name Hot V8. And Koenigsegg has also opened a new facility in the Sweden to work on and build the Gemera, and production will start at the end of 2024 and delivery will begin in 2025. And there is no word for the pricing yet, but still safe to say